If you're looking to add a touch of whimsy and charm to your garden, consider incorporating chair planters into your outdoor space. Chair planters are a creative and unique way to showcase your favorite plants and flowers while adding a dash of personality to your garden decor. These repurposed chairs serve as delightful planters, offering a beautiful and eye-catching display that will surely impress your guests and create a focal point in your garden. One of the great things about chair planter is their versatility. You can use various types of chairs such as vintage wooden chairs, wrought iron chairs, or even folding chairs to create a diverse and eclectic collection of planters. Look for chairs that have interesting shapes, textures, or colors to enhance the visual appeal. The contrast between the weathered charm of an old wooden chair and the vibrant blooms of your plants create a captivating juxtaposition. When it comes to selecting the right plants for your chair planters, the options are virtually endless. Consider the style and ambience you want to create. For a cottage garden feel, opt for cascading flowers like petunias or trailing vines like ivy. If you prefer a more contemporary look, choose architectural, succulent, or ornamental grasses. Herbs and vegetables can also be grown in chair planters, creating an edible and functional garden. The placement of your chair planter is crucial for maximum impact. Consider using them as standalone pieces in key areas of your garden, such as near the entrance, along a pathway, or on a patio. Arrange them in a groups or cluster to create a visually appealing arrangement. You can even place them at different heights by using stools or small tables to add dimension and visual interest. To turn your chair planters into a true statement piece, pay attention to the details. Consider painting the chairs in vibrant hues that complement surrounding plants and flowers. You can also add decorative elements like cushions or pillows for an extra touch of comfort and style. Don't forget to regularly water and care for your plants to ensure their health and longevity. Chair planters are not only delightful addition to your garden, but also chair planters are not only a delightful addition Chair planters are not only a delightful addition to your garden, but they also offers a sustainable and eco-friendly way to repurpose old chairs. Chair planters are not only a delightful addition to your garden, but they also offer a sustainable and eco-friendly way to repurpose old chairs. Instead of throwing them away, give them new life by transforming them into beautiful planters. It's a wonderful way to combine creativity, gardening, and sustainability. In conclusion, chair planters are a creative and enchanting addition to any garden. With their unique design and versatility, they provide a whimsical and eye-catching display for your favorite plants and flowers. Whether you choose vintage chairs, wrought iron pieces, or repurposed folding chairs, your chair planters will add a touch of charm and personality to your outdoor space. So let your imagination run wild, gather your chairs, and embark on a gardening adventure that will bring joy and beauty to your garden for years to come.